Hello guys, Steve here, NRC, and this is the Super Avante build, courtesy of the RC Elf. Thank you, RC Elf. Well, it's kind of messy here because I've been working on it. You can see the table. Holy smokes. But I got it done, and I probably worked on it like 8 hours to complete this. The whole chassis is finished. You can see it here. It's all finished. The only thing I have to do, because I don't have my servo yet, I'm waiting for the servo, and I didn't want to put my receiver in because they stick tape it sideways and you wouldn't be able to put the plugs in. But I got my ESC in here. I actually got one of these waterproof ones from Nitro Hobbies. It's the 60 amp. It's like the 1060. It's a clone. And you can see it's the same here. But it's nice because it has a Deans on it already, because if you use Deans you won't have to cut it off and solder them on, so that's a plus for me, and it's a few bucks cheaper also. But here it is. I'll have the build and showing it all go together. It was a complex kit. I wouldn't recommend it for a beginner. You gotta have some experience with putting a few kits together at least. But I had some funky parts in it. Cutting the foam in there is weird, and I had a lot of little spacers that could have been avoided that you shouldn't have had to use it, like plastic ones. They could have just made the part and so you didn't have to use them. That's one thing that was weird about it, like a lot of little extra pieces and stuff. It's really hefty and heavy, this thing, and solid. So now I have to do the paint job and the body and the guy. That's the next steps here. Let me get this over here to show you. I have to do that next, and the tires and stuff, but the body, and I'll do another video on that. And then you guys could see what I do to it. Alright guys, enjoy the build video. I'll see you at the end. Alright guys, she's complete. I got the servo. It actually came in today, so I put it all together. I'll give it a little rev. It's actually a smooth chassis. So there she is guys, next the body. Hope you guys enjoyed the build video. This thing's pretty neat. It's really sophisticated, and it's like I said, it feels real sturdy. It's got the better plastics and stuff. But like I said, you have to be someone that has done this before and is used to putting together kits, because for a beginner this would be too much. You have to at least do a few kits and you'll be good with this one here. Anyhow guys, hope you enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you can. A comment will be awesome. If you're new watching this, please subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And next I'll have the paint job and reveal it. See you guys. Thanks for watching. The Super Avante is complete. The whole place is a mess here. Stickers all over. So I'm gonna show you, but be prepared. It's not box stock paint job here. No box art. There she is. Tamiya.